if you could build an entire business system using nothing more than just a single prompt? That is exactly what Taskade is designed to do. Instead of juggling multiple productivity tools, Taskade brings everything together into one intelligent workspace powered by AI. Whether you're managing projects, organizing a business, collaborating with a team, or automating repetitive tasks, Taskade helps you build complete workflow in minutes. So in this tutorial, I'll show you how to get started, how to create your first AI-powered workspace, and generate a real business application from a single prompt. The first step is signing in into your Taskade account. If you are a new user, creating an account only takes a minute. Once you're logged in, you will arrive at your main workspace where all your projects, AI agents, apps, dashboards, and automations are organized in one place. Right away, you will notice the large prompt box in the center of the screen with the message, "One prompt, one app." This is where the magic happens. Instead of manually building databases, dashboards, forms, and workflows, you simply describe what you want and Taskade generates everything for you automatically. For this example, let's go and create a complete project management workspace for a marketing agency. Inside the prompt box, we will type "Create a marketing agency workspace with the client dashboard, project tracker, CRM, content calendar, invoice tracker, AI assistant for writing social media posts, and automated client onboarding workflow." Now click Generate, and within a few seconds, Taskade begins building the workspace automatically. Instead of creating only a single document, it generates multiple connected components, including dashboards, project boards, client databases, task lists, calendars, forms, and AI agents that all work together. Once generation is complete, you will see your new workspace appear with everything already connected. Your client dashboard displays active projects, the CRM keeps track of customers and leads, the project board organizes ongoing work, while automations handle repetitive tasks like assigning projects and sending reminders. Now let's go and try another example. Suppose we are managing a sales team. We'll enter another prompt. Build a CRM for tracking leads, customer meeting, follow-up reminders, deal stages, revenue forecasts, and weekly sales reports. Taskade instantly creates a fully organized CRM system complete with customizable fields, tracking dashboards, and AI-powered workflows that help your sales process stay organized. One of the biggest advantages of Taskade is that everything exists inside one workspace. Instead of switching between project management software, note-taking apps, automation platforms, calendars, and AI assistants, everything is connected in a single environment. You'll also notice categories like dashboards, projects, productivity, socials, surveys, automation, and many more. These are ready-made templates that help you build common business systems even faster. So whether you need an employee onboarding system, a content calendar, a bug tracker, a habit tracker, or a company knowledge base, you can start with a template and customize it to match your workflow. Taskade also supports AI agents. Think of these as intelligent assistants dedicated to specific jobs. As your business grows, your workspace grows with it. You can create additional dashboards, organize departments, invite team members, assign permissions, collaborate in real time, and continue expanding your system without rebuilding everything from scratch. When you're finished building your workspace, you can invite teammates, collaborate on projects, monitor progress through dashboards, automate repetitive work, and allow your AI agents to handle many of the daily administrative tasks that normally consume valuable time. So if you liked this video, make sure to subscribe, and thank you for watching AI Community, and I'll see you in the next one.